Set inside Oracle Arena, and here from Draymond Green.
Started working in training before that, but training camp, we said we had one goal, and that's to win the world championship. This is step one to it, so we on our way.
Describe how difficult this was tonight, because it just seemed for the longest time neither team could get going offensively, and it was just like both teams were in quicksand.
It was tough, and we knew it would be that way. We knew it wouldn't be easy. They're not a group that gives up, and we knew that from jump. So, we had to gut it out. And Coach said at halftime, it's ugly, but I like our team better in the ugly game than theirs. Instead of in the track meet, they're really good at that. But muddied the game up, which it was, and we continued to fight and finally got a few shots to go and made a run.
How big was Harrison Barnes for you tonight?
Huge. He struggled with his shot pretty much all series, and he came out tonight guns blazing. Didn't turn shots down, and he carried us for a while there and helped us go on the run, and he was huge for us tonight. A lot of timely baskets.
Draymond, what does it say about the team goal depth? Thompson didn't play almost the entire second half.
Says a lot, and that's what we've prided ourselves on all year is our depth. We feel like we're the deepest team in the NBA, and it's been showing throughout these playoffs, not only tonight. Sean stepped up huge, LB stepped up, Andre stepped up. Everybody who came in made an impact. Festus Ezeli, not in Clay's spot, but was huge off the bench. And they stepped up for us and, made plays, and that's what helped us get to this win, because I know I was horrible. So they definitely picked me up.
Harden only scored 2 field goals in the entire game. He had 13 turnovers, missed 9 shots, didn't score in the second half. What was your defensive strategy against
I think we pretty much had the same strategy we've had all series. He just happened to have a tough night. And, guys really pressed up into him and try to make him make quick decisions as opposed to him just walking you down and getting into rhythm. Try to press up and, force him to make a quick decision. And I think it worked out tonight, but you can play that same defense and he can go for 40. He just had an off night.
Did you sense him getting real frustrated in the fourth quarter?
Absolutely. Very frustrated, and you got to expect that. You're talking to a guy who just had 45. You don't expect to come out and go 2 for 11. So I did sense a little frustration there at the end.
Draymond, what was on your mind as the final seconds ticked off the clock and just celebrating with your teammates out there?
It's a great feeling. Just happy. But we got 4 more.
Draymond, what was the celebration like in here when you guys were by yourself?
Much, took a few selfies with the trophy, Snapchats, do it for Snapchat, but not much celebration in here. We're happy and not satisfied at all, but at the end of the day, you still got that little man on your shoulder telling you, hey, 4 more. So it's not too much celebration here.
What are you thinking when Clay gets knocked gets bloody here, you got Andre get knocked around? What are you thinking when you see that?
It's a physical game. Obviously, you don't want to see guys go down. But, at some point in the series, very physical series, it happens. But they both gutted through it. Clay tried to come back, they ain't let him. But that's what it's called.
On your thoughts on facing LeBron and the Cavs?
Very good team. Very good ball club, and they're rolling right now. But let's enjoy this for the night.
Yeah, we get the question out.
Let's enjoy this one for the night.
It's almost said and done. Warriors advance in 5, but I don't think that speaks to how difficult a grind, as serious and in particular this game was.
Yeah, definitely was a grind. They played really hard, and they gave us all we could handle. Obviously, like you said, we got it done in 5, but that doesn't speak for how hard that team played and how well they played. We were just able to do the necessary things to pull 4 games out, but it was tough.